Hey friends, if a USB device is not recognized in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now I'll give you a very honest answer to this one. In most probability, you will not be able to fix the problem. Okay, but still here's what we can try. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane to install all the pending updates. Once this is sorted, okay, then you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for universal serial bus controllers, right click on USB root hub and update the drivers and update all of these drivers. Once this is sorted, right click on USB root hub, select properties, go to power management, uncheck both these boxes and click on OK. Okay. So once this is done, if it still doesn't help, you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter. This will invoke the SFC scan and minimize it. This scan needs a very long time to run, so minimize it and continue with your work while the SFC scan checks what it can do. If this doesn't help, then the device is not compatible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.